Welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're delving deep into the world of natural remedies for eczema and psoriasis. These skin conditions can be quite bothersome, but fear not, because we're about to explore some incredible solutions that harness the healing power of nature. Before we dive in, a friendly reminder: everyone's skin is unique, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Now let's explore these natural wonders. First up, let's talk about oatmeal baths. Oatmeal is a skin-soothing superhero known for its ability to calm itching and irritation. To prepare an oatmeal bath, simply grind up some oats into a fine powder and add it to warm bath water. Soak in this nourishing blend for about 15-20 minutes to experience its soothing effects. Moving on to remedy number 2, coconut oil. This natural emollient is a game changer for dry, irritated skin. After showering, apply a thin layer of coconut oil to your skin and gently massage it in. This helps lock in moisture and reduces inflammation, leaving your skin feeling soft and nourished. Now let's talk about the power of aloe vera. This plant has been used for centuries for its healing properties. You can either use fresh aloe vera gel extracted straight from the plant or opt for a high-quality natural aloe vera gel from the store. Apply it generously to affected areas for a cooling and soothing sensation that helps calm inflammation and promote healing. Our fourth remedy is tea tree oil, a potent essential oil with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. However, it's crucial to dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil before applying it to the skin to avoid irritation. Once diluted, gently massage the mixture onto affected areas for targeted relief. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the impact of dietary changes on skin health. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, such as fatty fish rich in omega-3s, leafy greens packed with vitamins, and vibrant fruits bursting with antioxidants can work wonders for your skin. Don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from within. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to natural remedies for eczema and psoriasis. Remember to be patient and consistent with these remedies, as they may take time to show results. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your unique needs. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.